So this is the first time I took the wheel off of this 88 Prelude four-wheel steer that I've owned since 2011. Bought it from a guy who was selling it for his parents, so I was told. And I say told because somebody thought that that piece of shit was a good idea. Piece of shit referring to the muffler. So, bought it with a bad timing belt. Everything checked out okay. Got it to start. Exhaust cam broke. 2 pieces. So I towed it. Sat at my apartment in Nashville, then made its way to Cincinnati, then sat in Covington, Kentucky for 2 years. Almost 3, now 2, and then it's been sitting here for almost 5. And I just now kind of get a little time to work on it, but yeah, this is untouched. I haven't cleaned anything. I haven't sprayed anything. That's all you get for rust. It's been garaged a lot. There's your pocket that's normally eaten up. There's your rocker underneath. It's all gravy. I mean, you can still, the threads, and this camera isn't the best, so you can still very vividly see the threads. The clamps aren't rusted out and crappy. If I use car, go buy a Southern one. I believe I can't read it, but let's see if that comes out. First time. Who did have this car though, interestingly enough, did put poly sways in the rear. That's about the best thing they did with this car. Original 4-wheel steer rack. These are original iners and outers. I say that because those are the factory clamps right there, so probably betting, yeah, it's questionable. Yeah, 3A Racing is what that muffler says. That boy's junk. Retarded. The bottom side of the trunk. Sway bar. This car's never been driven. The only time I rode in it was when we towed it back from Nashville. It was towed. The alignment was pretty rough, but this car also sat for some time. I was sitting at a restaurant that is no longer in the Outer Banks, unfortunately. Blue Goose, I believe it's called. Playing around with some people that I knew from the other people who own Preludes, still do and who used to. And it came up I should buy another 3rd generation 4-wheel steer. It's right here. It was an ad on Craigslist. I wanted 5, I paid 3. So I've got to take all this out because this is going to get something very special.